This video is an overview of what it means to count a drawer. Now, when we talk about counting a drawer, what we're doing is we're setting the drawer to $300. So however much money is in that drawer above $300 is removed and added to the deposit. The drawer has three different parts. There's the loose coins on the bottom, rolled coins on the left, and bills along the top. So in the bills section, there's 20s, 10s, 5s, and 1s. And in the rolled coins section, you have 3 rolls of quarters equaling $30 because each roll is worth 10. You have 3 rolls of dimes. Each roll of dimes is worth $5, so you have $15 worth of dimes. And then for nickels, each one of those rolls is worth $2, and you have 3 of them, so you have $6 in nickels. Pennies, we only have 2 rolls of, and each one of those rolls is worth 50 cents, so we have $1 worth of pennies. And that's what should be in there at the end of the night when you're finished with the drawer. The total value of this section is $52. Setting this section to 52 is usually how I start, because all I need to know is that I need 3 rolls of quarters, 3 rolls of nickels, 3 rolls of dimes, and 2 rolls of pennies, and I'm done. The next thing I do is remove all of the 20s from the 20 section, and that starts my pile of deposit money for this particular drawer. I'm going to want a sticky note on this pile of cash that indicates what drawer number it is. And then I'll write the final amount of the deposit money at the end on that sticky note. So I'm going to make sure there are 10 10s in the 10 slot, so that section is valued at $100. Then I'm going to make sure there are 25s in the 5 slot, and that section is also valued at $100. So between 10s and 5s, we have 200 of the $300 of this drawer already set. We already have the $52 of rolled coins. So now we're just going to try to figure out our X, which is how many 1s do we need in this drawer, and our Y, which is how much loose change do we have in this drawer. So what we're solving for is X, but Y is going to include a little bit of problem solving. So we're going to write X plus Y plus 52 equals 100. We subtract 52 from 100, and that equals 48. So at this point, what we do is we start counting our loose change. We're going to count out all of the quarters, nickels, and dimes, but we do not count the pennies. We're going to eyeball the pennies because one of the main goals at this point is just to make sure that we don't end up with any coins unnecessarily in our deposit. We also don't want loose change in the safe. So in order to do that, you need to make sure that Y is a full number. So you're going to round your pennies to the closest dollar. So we're not going to deposit any coins unless there are dollar coins or 50-cent coins. And that is why we're rounding our pennies instead of counting them. So in this situation, not counting pennies, we had 15.76 in loose change. So rounding up, that gives us $16. Now we know that we need $32 bills. So remove any excess dollar bills from the dollar section, and we have our drawer set to $300.